Welcome to Montgomery, Alabama. We built this site particularly in Montgomery because it's closer to our customers in the southern part of the country.
We can produce 20 million cases annually to supply to our customer distribution base. In 2027, we will open a fast-track railroad that will get us to the Port of Mobile and get us speed in our execution of export business.
There are a lot of unique things about Diageo Montgomery. For one, this is a state-of-the-art facility.
We really are using technology in production, and in addition to that, we're monitoring energy usage, the water usage, and the site is also meeting our Scope 1 sustainability objectives.
We use fully electric transfer truck from our plant to the storage facility.
We spent over $415 million. We created 750 jobs as a part of the build, and longer term, we'll have 100 full-time jobs at this facility here in Alabama. So we are really excited to partner with Montgomery and become a really meaningful contributor to the fabric of the economy of the state.
Diageo coming to Montgomery has for sure given a boost to the economy, supporting local charities, opportunities for us to give back to the community.
I get a lot of pride knowing that the products that I make are global names. This is something that somebody in Australia or Europe might say, that was made in Montgomery, Alabama.
1, 2, 3, Diageo!